Okay, so our kids are gonna let their butterflies go. We have the butterfly kit from Insect Lore, and my hutch is all disgusting now. It's covered in butterfly blood. It's kind of gross.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Hank,
You put it down on the
fly flies.
Yeah, put it down.
Fly flies, come here.
We're gonna let him go.
Let him go.
Hey, come here, hurry. Come here. Come on,
We
come
know.
on, run.
Oh, look, they're all over the strawberries.
Okay. Okay, Hank, you ready?
I think they're gonna shoot out of there, Cole.
Hanky, watch out, watch out.
Fly, be free.
Oh!
Nothing's really happening.
Hanky, it's gonna come, it's gonna run at you, okay?
We gotta let him come out. Thank you. He's so excited.
Oh, achoo! Oh,
I know. Here, maybe we should put it.
No, that's too risky.
I know. I wonder if I should get this straight.
Hey.
Don't kick it, you stinker.
I see.
Why is your instant reaction to
Achoo.
always kick everything?
Mom, achoo!
I know. I see too.
Achoo!
How cool
Dad,
are they?
achoo! Eat.
Well,
You gonna eat 'em?
this is not going how I thought it would. I thought they would all want to be free.
Yeah.
They're like me, they stay in the cage.
Achoo! Achoo! Ow!
I think they have Stockholm syndrome. Isn't that where they want to stay with the captor?
Oh!
Not that that's a funny thing to joke about, but I think the
Stay with
butterflies
Mom,
are.
the capture.
They think we're their mama.
Should we go like that?
They want to stay with their
Oh,
mama.
ball! Hi, ball!
They're eating the
Where's the
yucky
mama?
strawberries. Those looked fine yesterday, but man, they make them gross. I don't know if that's just from sucking all the juice out or
This
what.
is taking longer than I expected.
Woo, Hanky! Oh my gosh. Hank is evil. He's throwing balls
I
at
wanna
the
be like
butterflies. You want to be on the...
These are my butterflies, by the way.
Yep,
My birthday present. They're not Colton's.
from Nanny and Papa. Can
Hey.
you say thank you, Nanny and Papa?
It
here?
was a birthday present.
Be nice.
Thank you, Mama and Papa. Thank you. Go on. Never mind. Oh my gosh.
Got the duckies flying overhead. We ended up putting our butterfly friends over here on top of the grill. So there's one. His wings haven't quite come undone yet. We're just not gonna focus on him. Huh. Anywho, and then these ones are still trying to figure out how to get out. Hopefully it's not too cold for them. And Hank's trying to bowl with the butterflies. He thinks he can throw balls at them because he's mean. Okay, so I just brought the butterflies back in the house because they were all like super still and not moving. There's a big cluster of them right here. And I put some wax paper down underneath their little enclosure because under this sugar mold, I ruined my hutch, the finish on it, trying to scrub their blood and guts and strawberry guts and all that stuff off of there. So I gave them some oranges, opened up in there, and we'll try again tomorrow to let them be free. One is definitely dead in there, and one looks like his wings aren't quite opening up, which is kind of a bummer, but there's a bunch of other ones. You can kind of see them all in there, but anyway, I'm gonna end this video here for now. Or wait, no I'm not, because I'll have to let them go tomorrow. So I'll try to let them go tomorrow when it's actually warm outside and the sun's still out, and probably on the front patio, because tonight when we tried to let them go out back, it was already really shady outside, and I'm pretty sure you're supposed to let them go when it's warm. That way they move around a little bit more. When it's cold out, they're gonna stay still, and they all kind of stayed put. I don't think any of them were able to fly away, even though we had it outside for over an hour on top of the grill with the top of it open. So anyway, I'll try again tomorrow, probably while the kids are at school, just so that it's hot enough for them. And I'll add that in next. Our butterflies are being pretty active today.
I see.
Okay, I'll show you in a second. I think they might be ready to
I see.
go now.
I see.
So as soon as the kids walk in the door in just a couple minutes, we are going to let them go. Okay, okay, okay. I'm really happy that I decided to give the butterflies an extra day to mature. So I'm gonna let them go out here in our front yard where it's nice and sunny right now. Our home faces the west, so the sun's gonna start going down anytime now. And I'm gonna place all of the ones that haven't spread their wings quite yet underneath this bush, and I'm gonna leave their oranges out so that they can continue to feed and then hopefully get some strength and fly away also. But all of them except for those two actually flew away on their own, and it was so fun to watch. I think Hank liked it the most, but the big kids definitely loved watching the whole process from larvae to caterpillars to chrysalis to butterflies hatching. That was really exciting for them. Not so much the letting them go part, but Hank loved watching them all fly away. Don't go close to it. Don't go close.
Bite.
It won't bite you.
Mom.
I'll leave it alone, okay? This butterfly kit was a birthday present for Haley from my parents, and it's the Insect Lore brand. And what's cool about this kit is that you can keep the net and you can order more bugs for future use. So I'm gonna empty this out and get rid of anything that's disposable and then put it on the side of the house so that I can hose it down when I get a chance. Next time we do the butterflies, I'm definitely going to document the whole process. I want to do it next spring or summer when it's not so cold out so that we don't only have a 1 hour window to release them. But I can't wait to do this again, and I know the kids are excited to as well. But anyway, thank you for watching, guys, as we tried to release our butterflies. I appreciate it. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.